pala to eh, para sigurado ako, hingi ako ng pirma bukas. Joke. Ang kapal ng mukha. Sama kayo. Kuya Unad, sama ka.
Saan?
Libre mo ako?
Sa Cebu.
Cebu, sige. Party. Pamu.
Ha?
Party.
Party?
Oo.
Oh, sige. Oh, sige ba? Bakit hindi ba?
I like that.
Hindi ba?
I want to go to Cebu.
Ang bait naman ni Divine. Bakit? Slater at Divine.
I don't know.
Kanino kaya sulat ko? Ang ganda, no? Happy talaga ako. Ano? Ganda ng mga sinabi nila. Meron! Yun o, ito. Basahin mo to from Beagle. Akin na yun. Plane ticket ko, baka mawala.
Wait lang.
Baka mawala, hindi pa matuloy.
Yes, my God.
Yung ibibigay mo sa aeroplano, ano?
Ha?
Yung ibibigay mo sa aeroplano, ano?
What? Hindi kasi alam nilang, ano eh.
Ano pa?
Gusto ko sumakay ng aeroplano, kaya binibigyan nila ako ng plane ticket kahit hindi totoo. Tatago ko to. Di man matupad. Ano ko sila.
Makakarating ka doon?
Dadalhin ko sa korte to. Mayaman, dadalhin ko sa korte.
Makakarating ka sa Cebu.
Joke lang. Makakarating man ako doon. Salamat. Hindi. Okay lang. Okay
Baka
lang.
makakarating ka.
Basta, may sulat ako galing sa kanila, mas na ako. Wala.
Sana magkikita tayo lahat. Ah, sweet kaibigan. Ang cute naman. Kaibigan.
Siguro kung hindi ko na ulit yung kahapon, sulat ko kahapon sa kanila. Nakalimutan na nila yun.
Nakatulog ako.
Grabe, masaya talaga ako.
Oo. Teka.
Hindi, sinabi ko pa talaga na ano, gaganyan lang ako. Tapos, pupunta ni Divine. Divine?
Dennis. Si Dennis.
Nasaan Mama Lucy?
Bakit?
Teka lang, wait. Ito, Mama.
Para saan?
Anna, are we still rehearsing?
Para saan?
Alin?
Okay. So what we have to do was
Pamay
I said I have 5 minutes and I have to get one thing, at least one thing from their bodies that they're wearing right now.
So I went in and I gave you a message, and I said, Pamo and, I said, they miss you so much, all the people from the Barang Barong. They're so cool today. They said, I have to take something right now from you, what you're wearing. So they went and grabbed a lot of things. Pamo, you're really popular, huh? Huh? This is from
Igor.
Gigoy.
Oh!
He said, you take care of it.
Oh, thank you!
Carlo just, yeah, anyway. This is from Tin. Whoever wants this. Kevin, you want this one? This is from Roy. It was so long. I think this is from Joya. I think maybe Pamo or Kim. I can't remember. It was such a long time ago. Pamo, this is from Divine.
Oh my God, thank you!
Mama Luz, Roy.
Oh my God!
What's the red one from Roy?
No,
that's mine.
Ah.
Oh my God,
She gave it to me.
This one, Joya. Kim, did you know Joya? Okay, maybe, well,
Thank you so much.
Being friendly.
Oh my God.
can I keep this one? It's so bango. It was really funny. It was really...
Kaya niya.
Carlo. No,
You
okay.
didn't get anything from Jared?
No, he doesn't talk.
Oh my God.
So
No, they were eating dinner at the
every-
second.
Thank you so much.
Oh, weird, yeah. I didn't know how to do it because Kuya just said, okay, now go and do it.
No, I mean, why did you get 5 shirts?
I don't know with her.
So, Regina.
You didn't have to give it. That's why.
Oh, wait, we didn't have to give it?
What?
You didn't have to give it.
No.
She said we had.
Dang, but you couldn't say.
I was trying to think, what would they not say no to, diba? And they're not gonna say no to you miss them so much. And then Kuya was like, why do you seem close to the guys there? Carlo like, Kigoy fed me dilis. Carlo was like, give them this, and then kiss me. And then, Miguel walked me back to the door and just kind of stood until the door opened. But they're very nice. And I always want to talk to Wendy more, but there's so many things. Oh, you're shy. Oh, but they miss you all so much. Divine such misses you, Pamo. So why are you so popular there? They're like, give this to Pamo. Give this
High
to
voltage talaga si...
and they miss you a lot. They love you. But they said, Kigoy said, they all tell them all that we miss them a lot. We miss them so much. And we love them all.
You tell them I missed them.
Oo naman. They just kind of, everyone all went running for things. I was like, oh, can I get it in your body? No, really, she's been doing, she just did it to Paco. She's gonna tickle us and tackle us. And they're like, okay. But lucky, the only one that's from the body is Tin. Tin was just like, okay, here it is.
She might have... Maybe it was a test to see who got... Maybe it was a test to see who got more stuff.
I got 6.
She got all, right? Did she get a shirt?
No,
from
but was
everywhere?
it from your body? Wow, you didn't give the one from your body.
No. It's from my body. There's just us two then.
No, but I don't know. He just said at least, he didn't say anything like that. He just said you have to get at least one from their body. The one from the body was, I think, maybe the one from
Lahat kami nila.
Pamo? Maybe, I don't remember. Divine kind of went into the bedroom and then she came back. She was like, okay, give this to Pamo. But then Tim didn't know what to give, so she's just like, just take this. And then,
And she said specifically for Kevin.
no, I just gave him. she didn't know. She was like, here, just take this. Because I said, she was the only one, I was like, can it be from your body? And she was like, okay, here.
Joya and Roy.
Yeah, because Roy was wearing a green one, and I was like, because I didn't, when I first went in there, I was like, what if I asked for something there and it's like important, like say remember you wear the necklace from your dad? It's like, what if I asked and then I asked something, no? So I was trying to think, but no one anything, and then I just thought of like, well, if I say it's from like Mama Luz and Pamo, they're not going to say no. But then they all went rushing and giving me all these things, and I was like, and then I was like to Roy, can I just have the one you're wearing? He's like, no, because it has sipon all over it. I was like, oh, okay, and then Tin was like, just have this one. The Tins was the one from the body.
She came in with that stupid puzzle that led to nothing.
That's why you didn't think it was weird? She gave you 10 seconds to put together a puzzle?
I did think
She was
it
like,
weird.
here, just... That's why I would hope that you guys took a long time because we had a time limit. But I wasn't allowed to say
Kaya pala sabi
anything.
niya, may game ako sa inyo.
I don't know why you should get you to take off your shirts.
No, I wasn't even wearing one. Just maybe go in there and get.
Did you all give?
Yeah.
You just wanted to take off your shirts, ha, Kuya Nap?
Sabi niya,
Gusto mo lang maghubad.
Ano? Sabi ko nga, hindi ako kasali, hindi naman ako nagpuzzle. Ang nagpuzzle lang si Kevin at
What
saka
I see in my
si
head.
Ryan.
amoy niya pa
Ako
yung...
nakatingin lang. Parang hinawakan ko na
Ang galing
rin.
naman ito mag-drawing.